Hello everyone, it's your one and only Teacher Thuli. Welcome once again. Today we are going to learn about toys. Are you ready? Let's learn together. Do you want to be a star in my next video? Ask your parents to send a short video. Tell me your name, where you are from, and why you love Teacher Thuli's channel, and you could be featured in the next lesson. Now let's learn the words for toys. Remember to listen and repeat after me. Car, car, car. A car, a car, a car. Truck, truck, truck. A truck, a truck, a truck. Airplane, airplane, airplane. An airplane, an airplane, an airplane. Doll, doll, doll. A doll, a doll, a doll. Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. A teddy bear, a teddy bear, a teddy bear. Ball, ball, ball. A ball, a ball, a ball. Great job, everyone. Now let's make sentences. We will learn how to ask and answer. Remember, all you have to do is listen carefully and repeat after me. What do you want? What do you want? I want a car, please. I want a car, please. What do you want? What do you want? I want a truck, please. I want a truck, please. What do you want? What do you want? I want an airplane, please. I want an airplane, please. What do you want? What do you want? I want a doll, please. I want a doll, please. What do you want? What do you want? I want a teddy bear, please. I want a teddy bear, please. What do you want? What do you want? I want a ball, please. I want a ball, please. Great job once again, everyone. Today we learned about toys. Keep practicing. Remember, Practice makes perfect, but Teacher Thuli makes it easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until next time, from your one and only Teacher Thuli, goodbye, see you, and thank you. Oh, I almost forgot. Take a look at my books on the screen for both children and adults, available on Amazon and Draft to Digital platforms listed on the screen. Thank you for learning with me. Until next time, from your one and only Teacher Thuli, goodbye, see you, and thank you.